All right, new live set. We're gonna try to do a quick one here. We got about 50 minutes. 50 minutes on the clock. Let's just fly through this next one. Yeah. Oh man, that'll be good. I liked that little miss on the open hat. I like where that's placed. Okay, that one just needs to get a little fixed up. There we go. Do you have a master chain going for these types of boom bap beats? Swing through on a Thursday. I'll show it to you, man. Yeah, I do all of my mixing live on the stream on Thursdays, and I also master the tracks. I'll give you a hint. I start every beat, every master with a Shadow Hills master compressor, and oh man, that thing makes my masters so rich. It's awesome. But yeah, definitely come through on a Thursday, because I'm just straight up mixing and mastering like a madman on Thursdays. Maybe we don't do fade out, but I feel like we want to like come in with something on this bridge section. All right, let's where are we going with this? I mean, I think we kind of got the beat, but I feel like we need something for this section. I know what we're gonna do. This is gonna be goofy. It's gonna be fun. We're gonna get a little steel drum out. It's a really dinky kind of steel drum. Check this out. You guys feeling what I'm feeling here? Like, we're gonna do this. Go. We're just kind of going on this melody. I like it. There we go. Okay. Let's see what we got here. We might have a beat. Boy, that was quick. Was that like 20 minutes? 30 minutes? I don't know. Dude, this beat came together so fast. This is magical. Thank you, man. This is such a vibe. drums. I feel like these are all like our little characters here coming out to do their dance. This is a happy ending credit roll beat. Cool. And I mean, we could fade it. I guess it would feel very appropriate to fade this kind of track. Yeah, that's the ticket right there. Damn, we did it, guys. That was a quick one. This was a really fun stream. I hope to do it again.